Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Yes, and also welcome to good topic. Some students are requesting to me, sir, you have to do this topic. We are waiting for that. In the sake of you, I am going. Actually, I want to do the in sequence order, but I am going to take today, which is the most important. You are asking to me. That only I am doing that. That is nothing but trigonometry. Yes, trigonometry is a huge topic, and also this topic also they are not any omitted any syllabus as per notification. Friends, you are a new viewer of our channel. Immediately you have to do a subscribe and you will get such kind of good videos to you. And from our channel we are requesting to you have to give a chance to you one of the family member of your family, because you have to introduce our channel to your family, your siblings, your school groups. Immediately you have to share the videos to your friends, your family group. Any choices is there, you can share it, right? Now that is called one of the encouragement of our program. Now dear children, going to the topic. Yeah, what are the mind mapping? What are the most important competitive boosters here? I have written on the board. That is TRS, trigonometric ratios, and its reciprocal, trigonometric table, trigonometric identities, and complementary angle based on quadrants in both cases, right? Anti-clockwise direction 90 minus theta and positive thetas, and compound angles nothing but sin of a plus b, cos of a plus b, tan of a plus b, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. These are the topics which we are going to discuss competitive style. Friends, now I have to tell you these all the topics, just literal information, but already you know very well about our channel. I made a beautiful videos to TS Polyset as well as 10th class students. In that I explain very depthy information for the trigonometry. Once you see that, definitely you are going to get that. Which is want that videos? Somebody is not listening in the pandemic situation in your school, you did not understand, you did not attend the classes, that student can see. Somebody knows very well, nothing to see, directly you can see this is okay. Now what is trigonometric ratios? Simple. Actually trigonometry developed by Hipparchus. He is the father of trigonometry. He is a Greek mathematician. This is the common. What is the trigonometry? Simple, we can say that the relationship between the three sides and three angles of a rectangle triangle is called trigonometry with the help of RAT. RAT means right angle triangle. Clear? Yeah. Yes, the relationship between the sides and angles of a rectangle triangle, simply we can say that three angle measurement is called trigonometry. In the trigonometry we have a 6 sisters are there. 6 sisters are there. In India we have a eastern side 6 sister states are there. Like that Sikkim, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram, like these 6 states are there, no? Like this in trigonometry also we have 6 sisters are there. Main sisters are there, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now it's a reciprocal, sin reciprocal cosec theta, cos reciprocal sec theta, tan reciprocal cot theta. So friends, in that main 6 trigonometric ratios, sin, cos, tan, these are the 3 sisters. Sin reciprocal cosec theta, cos reciprocal secant theta, tan reciprocal cot theta. Simply we can say that sin theta is nothing but if and only if condition cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Now cos theta is nothing but 1 by secant theta. Now secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta we can write. And tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta. Similarly cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. How to derive the naming of trigonometric ratios? I told you one a beautiful word by using the right angle triangle. Yeah, this is your right angle triangle. This is a right angle at B. Now acute angle, the theta will be at C. What is theta? Theta is the one of the parameter. Sir, how would I get this right angle triangle? Simple, amma. This is a one line. This is a one angle, acute angle. You take any point on this, draw a perpendicular line on base. Draw a perpendicular line on base, you have to get one a right angle triangle. Yes, OAB is an acute angle. Now P, take the point P on OA, draw an perpendicular PQ on AB, PQ on OB. Then you should get PQO is a right angle. PQO is a right angle. This right angle have a different names of each and every side. What are the different side? Yes, longest side is hypotenuse. Where is the 90 degree? That is called altitude. Now this is called base. Now in the trigonometry we have to going to say derive the definition of sides of a right angle triangle. That is nothing but it is yes, longest side is nothing but hypotenuse. This is altitude is called as opposite side. This is called adjacent side. Sir, how can we find opposite side and adjacent side and hypotenuse? Sir, simple. Where is the theta you have to keeping at C or A? That theta can decide two sides. For example, at theta at C, quite opposite side will be opposite side, and the remaining the base value will be adjacent side. For suppose theta you have to keep it at A, this BC is called as opposite side. Now AB is called as adjacent side. These two will be interchanged. You are changing the theta year to year, these two values will be changed, but hypotenuse is unique place. It has no change at all because right angle opposite side will be, that is hypotenuse, right? And friends, this is just little information. You want depth means you see in our videos. Beautiful videos I made it, Amma. Beautiful. If I want to say now, but it is a time consumption process. Okay, na? So in the computational time, that is the reason I am going to take some literal information. I have to explain model papers previous question. That is the reason I am focusing these problems only mainly. This is information is important, but when it is important, somebodies are not going to the school, somebodies are not attending the classes. In the pandemic situation, that kind of students must be see that videos. Definitely, I assure it, you will get perfect knowledge. I assure it. And somebody sir already know something idea, that student cannot go to that. They have to go with direct answers. Right? Now let us see there, children. Now right angle is clear. Right angle is clear. And how to derive the three sides of a right angle triangle I completed. But by using this condition, how to derive these all the values, how to derive the trigonometric ratios? Simple amount. Yes, one word, one bullet, one AK-47. That is Usha Chota. Yes, we have a Usha fan, Chota beam. Like that you can think that Usha Chota will give the all trigonometric ratios naming someone. How it is? Here what is better? Sine. This is sine. If you want the sine theta means O by H. O by H means opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, this is alternative. This is C. C stands for cos. Cos theta means A by H. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is a tan. Means O by A. Opposite side by adjacent side. Simply we can say that O by A. Now clear? That what will give these three values. Next remaining is very easy. Now cosec theta, reciprocal of this. O by H reciprocal. H by O. Tan, cos theta reciprocal. H by A. Now say tan theta reciprocal. A by O. Means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Adjacent side by opposite side. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 sisters particular definition. From RAT by using this technique word. Right friends? This kind of beautiful information is there in our videos. It is there. Once you go through. Right? Now next topic. This is completed. Right? Now what is trigonometric table? Yes, we have to find some angles, like these questions are coming in the exam. We have to find that kind of question by using trigonometric table. Particularly trigonometric table up to 90 degree we have to touch in 10th class. That means 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. In that sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, cos 90. If you know sine, the total table will be there. Yes. If you know sine, the total table will be comes to your mind. That's it. How it is? Simple amount. You see this video. This trigonometric table in 5 seconds. You see this video. You can understand. 5 seconds video. I made it. I have to tell you now, but you see this video, how it is beautiful perfect for you. And sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 91. Now if you know the sin value, you can reverse it. Cos will come. How it is, sir? See here. Sin theta, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, for suppose. Sin values I am going to sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 91. You write reverse, that means cos theta. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. If you know the sign, cos is over. But how do I get tan theta? Simple, amma. Tan theta I told you know. Yes, tan theta is nothing but what, amma? O by H. Means O by A. O by A. H cancel. O by A means sin by cos. Tan theta we can say that another form sin by cos also. Sin by cos theta also. Means 0 by 1. 0. 1 by root 2, 1 root 3 by 2, root 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, root 2 get cancel, 1 by 1, 1. 2 get cancel, root 3 by 1, root 3. 1 by 0, undefined, infinity. Means tan theta is nothing but 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. This is the sign, tan values. If you know sign, cos is get. If you know sin and cos, tan will be there in your mind. Then automatically sin reciprocal, cosec will come. Cos reciprocal, sec values will come. Tan reciprocal, cot value will come. The table is easy, no? 5 seconds table, right? Now, trigonometric identity. Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. These three are the main 3 trigonometric identities. From this, we have to make a 4 sub formulas. That will be also there in our video. Okay. Now, complementary angles by using quadrants. Yeah, trigonometry have a 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this is A, stands for A, S, T, C. Yes, all silver teacups, all success in 10th class. These are the words we have to keep in the mind. Where is 90 minus theta? Yes, 90 minus theta starts within first quadrant. Now moves like this. 180 minus theta. Moves like this. 270 minus theta. Moves like this. 360 minus theta. So for total complete angle nothing but 360 degree. Now complementary angles, how to find the complementary angles? By using 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 minus 360. Now here we have to get plus thetas also. Some kind of questions are getting. You see, this question based on this complementary angle question only. This question will be complete based on complementary angles. But how would I get, sir? If I want the same, it will take 10 minutes time. So if you want this video, I am kindly requesting you, go and see in our videos. Definitely you will get it, Definitely you will get it. Okay, right? Because already I made it. I only made it in your way, in simplest way, in easy way. I made it. You see, these all the mind mapping total values will be there in that video. TS Polyset video. You see that? Definitely you will be satisfied. Right? Complementary angles by using quadrants. Compound, this is the formulas. All these all the things will be there in that video. In that our videos. You see, then you will get it. 10 to 20 minutes will be there, no? In that you see, then you come to the point. Then you can understand 70%. Okay, na? Now let us go with, starts with first question. If cos A equals to 12 by 13, then sin A equals to dash. These are the options. Yes, cos theta is given, find sin theta. Yes, I have to tell you traditional method, then after I will tell the tricky method, then after I will tell the without pen paper style also. First you see that. Cos A is equals to 12 by 13, dear friends. Now nothing but, cos theta nothing but by using Osa Chota. Just I explained, no, just now. From that, A by H, adjacent side by hypotenuse. By using right, A, B, C. Here A is there, that is theta. This is theta. Automatically this is OS, this is AS, this is H. Clear? Now, means theta opposite side will be opposite side. This is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. A is nothing but 12. This is 12. H is nothing but 13. We should find BC by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square, 13 square is equals AB square, 12 square plus BC square. Here 169, 144 plus BC square. Now transfer left side, it becomes to negative, minus means 25. So BC square equals to 25, BC equals to square root of 25, nothing but 5. BC value 5. Yes, 5. What is asking friends? Sin theta. Sin is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Here what is opposite side we are getting? 5. What is the hypotenuse will be there in the question? 13. 5 by 13. Yes, where is 5 by? This is your answer. This is also we have completed in 1 minute. But I want to tell you one technique also. The technique is that, you see children, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Right? He is asking sin. So from this identity I have to write sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. This is also a formula. Now sin theta is nothing but square. Square goes to that side. Root of 1 minus cos square theta. You see, I told you, no, each and every identity we have some 4 formulas. In that one formula, sin is equals to root of 1 minus cos square theta. In the place of theta, we can write a. Friends, here 1 minus cos a. Theta is nothing but cos a. Cos a is given 12 by 13. 12 by 13 whole square. So 1 minus 144 by 13 square value 169. Do the cross multiplication. We should get 169 minus 144 by 169. This value 25, this value 169. Square root of 25, 5, square root of 169, 13. 5 by 13. These two methods also will get the answer. But without pen paper you have to write the answer. That is the motto of our channel. Our channel beta. What is that? Here 12, 13. Yes, I have a one mantra. What is the mantra, sir? Yes, Pythagorean triplets. We have a Pythagorean triplets. In that, what are the Pythagorean triplets? What are the special characters? Yes, 5, 3, 4, 5. One Pythagorean triplet. Yes. Next 5, 12, 13. Next 6, 8, 10. Right. 7, 24, 25. Right. Okay. Like this, we have a Pythagorean triplets. We have a Pythagorean triplets. Friends, in that, in your question, 12, 13 is there. 12, 13 is. What is the remaining value? What is the remaining value? 5. So, keep in your mind, remaining value is 5. So, sin is also having common hypotenuse, 5 by 13. Remaining value is 5. This hypotenuse also sin is having. So, 5 by 13. Finish. If we know that mantra, this is very easy. These are called Pythagorean triplets. Right? Next question. Sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60 by cot 45, cos 60, sec 60. Answer 1. Answer 1. That's it. How it is? Simple. By using table. Sin 30, 1 by 2 plus tan 45, 1 minus cosec 60, root 3 by 2. Cosec 60, root 3 by 2. Next, cot 45, 1. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Sec 60, root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 minus. Both are get cancelled. Finish answer. Here friends, very important. Table is very important. If you know the sign, that is easy. And I told you one point here. When sin theta cos theta equal, when cot theta cos tan theta equal, when sec theta cosec theta equal. Yes, that important note point is when sin and cos equal 45 degree only. When tan and cot theta equal 45 degree only. Because sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1, cot 45 also 1. Got it my point? Sec 45 root 2, cosec 45 also root 2. This case only the two values are equal, right? Next point. This answer will be 1. Tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degree where 2a is an acute angle. Then find the value of a. This is a condition. Friends, tan theta, here this value already in the mode of complementary angles. So we should convert a tan 2a into complementary mode. Tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 is given. I should convert tan 2a into, means simple. We can write tan 2a is nothing but cot of 90 minus 2a. Cot of 90 means tan theta 2a. Here as it is, right, for the right RHS value you have to write as is. Now cot get cancelled. 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. Separate the like terms. Constant one side, variable one side. Here 90 minus 18 come to left side, a plus 18. Minus 2a transfer right side becomes to plus 2a. This is 108. This is a plus 2a 3a. Now a equals to 108 by 3 amma. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja 9. 1 remainder 18, 3 6 ja 36. Where it is? Here. Finish answer. Got it? Friends, I have written the question based on mind mapping. First, by using rat. Next, table. Next, complementary angles. Like this, I am going to give the beautiful information for you. Examination point of view. Remember. Next, here x is equals a cosec theta, y is equals b cot theta, then b square x square minus a square y square is equals to what? Okay. This is the combination of cosec and cot theta. Yes, sir. The paper setters are made a question relationship between cosec and cot. Yes, cosec and cot theta nothing but relationships, sir. Third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Right? From that I should use. Now, here x equals to a cot cosec theta. Yes, that means x by a is equals to, you have to write cosec theta by using this condition. Second, y is equals to b cot theta. Nothing but y by b is equals to cot theta. Clear? Now the identity, I am using that identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Friends, cosec theta, x by a whole square. Substitute. Cot theta, y by b whole square is equals to 1. This is the identity. This is the identity. Right? X square by a square. Separate the powers. Y square by b square is equals to 1. Do the cross multiplication. X square into b square, a square into y square by denominator also you have to multiply. Is equals to 1. Friends, here what is asking? B square x square minus a square y square. Yes, we are getting a numerator. This value will be b square x square and a square y square is nothing but that you have to transfer right side, becomes to a square into b square. Answer will be a square b square. Finish. What I have done? Simple. Separate the cosec and cot theta from the question what is given. I am using third algebraic identity. Sorry, I am using third trigonometric identity. I substitute. I am doing cross multiplication. Then we will get the answer. X square into b square, x square b square, y a square into y square, a square y square by a square b square equals to 1. Transport right side. This is your LHS part. This is your RHS part. LHS part, RHS part. Very cool manner I have done. Friends, see the question number 5. Tan 30, tan 45, tan 60 are in dash. AP, GP, HP or none. First you write tan 30. Yes, tan 30 what? 1 by root 3. Very good. Tan 45, 1. Tan 60, root 3. Right? Here they are in AP, GP, HP. First we have to write this is term 1, term 2, term 3. Because in AP, GP we have to get the terms, no? Should check it GP. GP condition is what, amma? A2 by A1, A3 by A2. Ratio we have to take. A2 by A1 by the progression chapter I am telling now. A3 by A2. A2 1. A1 1 by root 3. Next A3 root 3. A2 1. Friends, you see here mainly this will be reciprocal. It becomes to root 3 by 1. Here root 3 by 1 nothing but we have to write root 3. 1 into root 3, root 3, here root 3. LHS equals to RHS. It should be satisfy the condition of A2 by A1 equals to A3 by A2. That means these three values are in GP only. So answer is second one. Okay, is satisfied, all satisfied, right? Next, cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin to the power of 4 theta equals to what in this? First, what is given you have to write here. Cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin to the power of 4 theta. Friends, by seeing this question, you don't have any idea for that because we have only squares are there. Yeah, we have to convert it like that. Maybe cos square theta whole square, sin square theta whole square. Yes, a power of m whole power, a power of m into n, 2 into 2 4. It is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, right? A square minus b square nothing but a plus b, a minus b. Here a is what cos square theta. Here b is what sin square theta. Okay friends. Next, similarly same values, but you have to change the sign because according to formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta, first identity, that value will be 1. Substitute 1. Here cos square theta minus sin square theta. You know very well cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. Here already minus sin square theta will be there. So 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. How many sin square thetas are there? 2 sin square thetas. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Yes, here. Finish the answer. Simplify. Just simplify. Just you have to drink the water like that. You have to simplify. A square minus b square. It converted into a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. This value will be 1. This value converted into sin square theta. Then I should get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now friends, you are enjoying these 5 models, and let us see one more interesting 5 questions to you. Now see friends, the question number 7, sin 35 degree, cos 35, sin 47, cos 47, cos 90 equals to dash, 1 minus 1 0 sin 45. Yes, this question by seeing me, sir, you are saying in table 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, no sir. Here 37 like this values are there, how can we do? No, wait. You see the logic of question. Yes, I am finding the logic. In our table, what is there? 0, 30, 60, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Check. Here 90 is there. Cos 90, 0. Cos 90 is 0. So total value is 0. That's it. How? Means here something values we are getting. All are in into mode. Here one value, here one value, here one value, all are into by 0. Here last value is 0. All values multiplied with 0. We should get 0 only. This is answer. You see this question having how much logic, friends? Now, this is the question. Tan 5, tan 30, 4, tan 85. Yes, you write tan 5 as it is. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Here 0 not there, don't do like that. And 4. Tan 85 can I write like this? Tan of 90 minus 5. Tan of 90 minus 5 nothing but tan 85. Tan 90 becomes to cot theta. Tan of 90 minus theta according to the complementary angles concept video. Tan of 90 minus theta nothing but tan theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay na? Tan of 90 minus theta nothing but cot theta. Here tan 5 as it is right amma into 1 by root 3 into cot. These two will be cancelled. Here already 4 is there. Cot 45, tan 5 get cancelled because tan reciprocal 1 by cot theta. Cot get cancelled. So we are getting 4 1 4 by root 3. So answer will be 4 by root 3. That's it. Tan 5 as it is 1 by root 3. 4 as it is. Tan 90 minus 5 nothing but tan 85. Tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot tan cancel 4 1 4 by root 3. This is your answer. Friends, here x tan theta plus y sec theta is equals to p, and x secant theta y tan theta equals to, then what is that? I told you sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. In the secant theta and tan theta is nothing but secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. You have to observe in this question, secant theta is second value, tan theta is the first value. Here secant theta first value, tan theta second value. Here p and q are the alternative values. By seeing that, you have to take secant theta first. Here secant theta second will be there. That means you can go with q first. Means q square minus p square is nothing but q square minus p square nothing but x square minus y square. Direct step. What is the direct step? Here tan first, second, theta second. Here second theta first, tan theta is second. That is the reason you can take here the relationship with secant square theta minus tan square theta. That means you can go with first q, next p. Here q first, p second. Then alternative, x is first, y is second. So this option will be here. Yes. Or else you can do one thing. X tan theta plus y secant theta is equals to p squaring on both sides. Right? I am doing here x square plus x square tan square theta, y square secant square theta. Right, dear friends? Under 2xy tan theta into secant theta is equals to p square. You put equation number 1. From this I have to get equation number 1. From this also I should get same squaring on both sides. Then what we will get? A square plus b square means x square secant square theta, y square tan square theta plus 2ab means 2xy secant theta into tan theta is nothing but q square. Put equation number 2. Now to the yes, here all the terms are having negative sign. I am going to do the minus means negative. Yes. Friends, here 2 minus 1 you can do it. 2 minus 1. That means you have to get here these two cancel. Here 2xy secant theta tan theta minus 2xy secant theta tan theta get cancelled. What we are getting? X square tan square theta minus x square secant square theta plus y square secant square theta minus y square tan square theta. That is equals to p square minus q square. Got it. Now friends, here take the common x square means tan square theta minus secant square theta. Here also you can take the common y square nothing but secant square theta minus tan square theta. That simply we can say that p square minus q square. Clear? From this you know identity value 1. This value 1 substitute y square 1. Here p square minus q square plus here x square asterisk item 1 tan square theta minus secant square theta. But in algebraic identity we don't have this identity. We have to change the sign. Means I have to multiply with this value. I should get here secant square theta minus tan square theta plus here y square will be there. Here p square minus q square will be there. Here this value will be 1. So minus x square plus y square that is equals p square minus q square. But x does not have any negative sign. Total value will be interchanged. That means we can write now y square. Yes, I have to multiply with these all values with minus. What will happen? Simple. Here I am going to multiply minus into minus plus x square minus into plus minus y square that is equals here minus is multiplied on both sides. No, this will be change as q square minus p square. That means x square minus y square is equals q square minus p square. This is a traditional method. Actually 4 marks question. We are doing this process pairing on both sides and do the subtraction. We are getting this value. I got it. But shortcut. I explain here shortcut only. What is the shortcut? Secant tan theta have a relationship in negative mode. Here secant square theta minus tan square theta. That means we can take here first q square minus p square. That is because when you are taking here q first, p second, then you can start with x and with y. X square minus y square. So q square minus p square is nothing but x square minus y square. That's it. Next. Sin theta equals to 7 by 25. Then find the cosec theta minus cot theta by cosec theta plus cos theta. Simple amma. If you know the trigonometric idea, sin theta is equals to 7 by 25. Right? Is given. What is the next number? Pythagorean triplet 7, 24, 25. In this 7, 25 is given. If you know the 24, the answer will be easy. Is asking cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal 1 by sin theta ma. 1 by sin theta means 1 by 7 by 25. Nothing but 25 by 7. We got it? Cosec theta value. Next I want cot theta. Yes, I want cot theta. Means cot theta is nothing but sin by cos. Sin by cos. Means in the diagram, this is 25, this is 24, this is 7. So here sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse is given. No? Okay, na? This is opposite side, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent side. If you want cot theta, means cot theta nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side value 24, opposite side value 7. Children, what I am doing here, from this question I have to find cosec theta directly because sin reciprocal cosec theta. In this question, you want cot theta, then answer will be going to complete. If you want cot theta means if you know the adjacent side as well as opposite side. Here opposite side is there, but adjacent not there. Just simply draw the diagram. 7, 24, 25. Here opposite side 7, adjacent side is 24. So A means 24, O means 7, 24 by 7. These two values substitute here. Here cosec theta 25 by 7, cot theta 24 by 7 by cosec theta again 25 by 7 plus cot theta 24 by 7. Friends, you should observe here. See friends, here 7, 7, here 7, 7 are the like terms. Take one common. 20 means like fractions. 25 minus 24, 1 by. Here 7, 7 is the like term, means like fractions. Add these two values, 49. 7, 7 get cancelled, 1 by 49 is the answer. This is a very good question, friends. I told you, this question have the technique. Before I want to tell the technique, I explain total traditional method. But the technique is what? Here 725 is given. No? Clear? This reciprocal nothing but cosec theta. So cosec theta value how much? 25 by 7. Minus. Clear? In the 25 by 7, here one more is what? 24. You can write 24 by 7. That's it. 25 by 7. Next one 25 by 7. 25 minus 24. 1 by. Denominator also having same value. 25 by 7. Here plus is there. 24 by 7. Yes. Here 7. Here 7 common. 25 plus 24, 49. So that direct answer 1 by 49. Clear? That's it. This question also I explained traditional method, 4 marks way and shortcut. This is also we have shortcut. Here Pythagorean plus 7, 24, 25 will be there now. Here 7 by 25 is given. It's the reverse order cosec theta we are getting because cosec theta nothing but 1 by sin theta minus cot theta. Cot theta you want means this value remaining value by same. Clear? Right? Next, same value because sign will be changed. 25 by 7, 24 by 7. 7, 7 get cancelled. 25 minus 24, 1. 25 plus 24, 49. Finish? Answer is over. Next, the value of sin 25, cos 65, cos 25, sin 65. Yes, it is based on, don't convert into complementary style. If you convert means it will take 1 minute time. But without pen and paper you can do that answer. Without pen and paper. How it is? Sin A, this is the formula. Sin A cos B. This is cos A sin B. That means sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B. That means 25 plus 65. Sin of 25 plus 65. Nothing but sin of 90. Sin 90? 1. Sin 90 1. Without pen and paper, you can imagine it. You have to do it. 25 plus 65. Sin of A plus B. Sin 90. Sin 90 value according to the table 1. Finish. Okay. Next. Last question but not least question. Cos of A plus B equals to 1 by 2. Sin of A minus B equals to 1 by root 2. Then find AB. Simple answer. What is given? You have to write. Sin of A plus B equals to 1 by 2. Right. Sin of A minus B equals to 1 by 2. Cos of A plus B equals to 1 by 2. Sin of A plus A minus B equals 1 by 2. You have to write LHS for as it is. The 1 by 2 conversion of cos theta. Cos theta 1 by 2 is cos 60. Cos 60. If you know the table, this is easy. Cos get cancel. A plus B equals 60 children. This is equation number 1. And sin of A minus B is equals to 1 by root 2. Means sin theta 1 by root when it is possible 45 degree. So sin can cancel. A minus B equals to 45. Equation number 2. From equation 192. A plus B equals to 60. A minus B equals to 45. Now B will get cancelled. 2A equals to 105. A equals to 105 by 2. 2 1 are 2 5s are 2 2s are yes 52.5. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 0.5. 105 by 2 means 52.5. A value 52.5. Where is 52.5? Here. Finish the answer. How it is? Simple. A plus B, A minus B. Do the calculation. You get 2A equals 105, A equals 52. That is solving. Second one compulsory 7.5. 52.5, 7.1 nothing but 60. Got it. This is your answer. Friends, I think you are enjoying these all the important points. 12 problems I explained based on each and every exercise from the chapter. From the chapter of your trigonometry. I explained very clearly. I have taken the problem in correct manner, which is useful for you. And I hope that you are enjoying this class, and you do one thing. Please share this video to your friends, siblings, and schoolmates, to your family members, because you have to introduce to our channel to as one of the family member of you. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.